you, your new product launch is coming up in 4 days. So you spend the entire day creating content for your business to post on social media. You know the content is better than it's ever been. No doubt your products will sell out in no time. The day comes, you post on Instagram and TikTok to market your business website, and you wait and wait, but you're still not getting any sales. What if I told you this isn't your fault or your content? It's just that social media isn't the best way to market or make your sales. Hi, I'm Micah, and yes, I stand by my position.
Yeah, Cococart.
Just take a look at TikTok and Instagram. It's not exactly business friendly. You have to tell your customers to go all the way to your link in bio, and even if you have Instagram or TikTok shopping enabled, the algorithm is annoyingly competitive. Even reaching your own followers is difficult enough. What more if you want to attract new customers? It's a game of pay to play, and you need to pay for ads. To help you imagine, this is 1,000 Instagram followers. And when you launch a new product on social media, only this many people end up seeing your post. And from this 100 people that see your post, 19 people actually make a purchase. And Facebook, it can be even worse. Pages with around 10,000 followers can only expect up to 0.29 engagement with posts. That's only about 29 followers out of 1,000. And beyond algorithms themselves, consumer habits on social media are just different. People aren't normally browsing social media with the intention to buy all the time. They might be scrolling through TikTok or Instagram for entertainment or trying to get value. So relying on social media alone to make sales might be a harder climb. So the question is, how do you, as an e-commerce business owner, hack the social media algorithm to market your business better and make more sales? The answer is simple. It's not social media. Do email marketing. You might be thinking, email marketing? No one pays attention to that. But hear me out. Email marketing is still alive and kicking today because it just works. When you send a promotional email to 1,000 customers, between 50 to 80 will turn into a sale. If this were on social media alone, about 1.9% would have purchased. Remember this, people are on social media to discover new content to be entertained. On the other hand, people check emails not for content, but to get things done, get things planned, and yep, buying decisions are made there too. Convinced that email marketing is right for you? Here are some quick tips to get started with this e-commerce sales strategy. And be sure to subscribe to our channel because we're going to be releasing a video that dives much deeper into email marketing strategy for online business owners just like you. But for now, let's stick to some basics. First of all, don't spam your customers. As tempting as it is to send a marketing email every hour of every day in order to rake in those sales, don't. Instead, space out your emails at least 24 hours apart. Give customers breathing room between emails to appreciate your offers and the content so that they'll be more likely to take action. Put yourself in your customer's shoes. You wouldn't want to get emails that often, even if it is from a brand that you love. So, respect your customers' inboxes and they'll be incredibly grateful. Subject lines are powerful, so keep them short and sweet. Experiment with short subject lines about 5 words long. They're more likely to get read, and subject lines that get read get opened. And emails that get opened rake in sales. When in doubt, think of a benefit-driven subject line. For example, if you're promoting a sale, your subject line might be, save 30% this weekend. Next tip, product photos go a long way. Your email marketing tool should let you insert product photos to include in your email. That just entices customers to take action. After all, it makes no sense to promote your latest collection of items and customers aren't able to see it for themselves. What this tip also means is you can't just use any kind of email tool like Gmail. Even if you insert images into an email and start sending them to customers, you might just end up in spam and blocked from sending email altogether. You'll have to use a proper email marketing tool that makes sure that your emails get delivered and look good. So use an e-commerce platform like Cococart. You can put up anything you're selling online, take orders, and then start marketing to your customers to encourage repeat purchases and turn them into loyal fans for life. The best part, Cococart's email marketing features are so simple to use that even a total beginner can't mess it up. You don't just get an email builder based on high converting sales emails, but you also can send different emails to different segments of your customer base, like first-time customers, repeat buyers, and your most loyal fans. Cococart is the ultimate tool that makes e-commerce and email marketing easy, especially if you have no experience or no time to learn complex tools out there. Even better, it's free to sign up and get started. And that wraps up this video showing you why you probably shouldn't be putting all your eggs in social media. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more online business tips just like this. Want to keep your learning cap on? Watch this video to learn how to master your Instagram strategy, perfect for attracting those customers to your email list to begin with.